Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the front bumper on a Renault Laguna second generation. First we start by removing that grill that's on top of the bumper, and next we start removing the bumper. We start by removing the bolts that hold the undershield to the front bumper, and remove also the bolt that holds the front bumper to the wing. That's the bolt right there that holds the bumper to the wing. There's also another couple of bolts on the bottom of the bumper that holds the bumper to those panels. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Now that we've removed all the bolts on this side, we can pull the bumper out, and we can go to the other side and do the same thing. That's the bolt that holds the bumper to the wing on the other side. We need to remove that, and then we can pull out the bumper. Next we remove the bolts that hold the bumper on top. And once we removed all the bolts that hold the bumper, we can remove the bumper. That's it, the bumper is out. Now we can remove a couple of connectors.